Today we gonna discuss about NPSH. NPSH word is very familiar to everyone, but when it comes to reply देना, आंसर देना इंटरव्यू को, people are still lacking. रट के जाते हैं और रट के जवाब देते हैं. So today we will try to clear the doubt of NPSH. So let us guys come to the point. So first we will start from the NPSH definition. Definition क्या है NPSH की? Net positive suction head. Guys, this is the NPSH full form. And what is it tell about, guys? So guys, NPSH refers to the pressure of fluid at suction side to help determine if it's high enough to avoid cavitation. So guys, ये बात तो हो गई हमारी फुल फॉर्म की और डेफिनेशन की, जो कि रटा रटाया सबके पास है. We gonna talk about the real meaning of NPSH. What does the NPSH tell us about? So let us come to the point, guys. Suppose if our pump is here. So this is our pump. This is our fluid. So this will be the suction head, guys. When the distance between pump and fluid is little, so we will require, when the distance between pump and fluid is little, so we will require little negative pressure. Because we require negative pressure to suck the fluid, so we will require the negative pressure. But when the difference between pump and fluid is little, we will require a little negative pressure. But when the distance between this both pump and fluid increases, when this increases, we will require the more negative pressure. So guys, it's completely, you know, that if there is outside atmospheric temperature, atmospheric pressure, then we want to suck the liquid from the depth of suction head. So we will require the negative pressure. But we have to keep one thing in our mind, that is this negative pressure should not fall below vapor pressure. Guys, this is the main concept behind the NPSH. जो हमारा नेगेटिव प्रेशर है वो हमारा वेपर प्रेशर से बिलो फॉल नहीं होना चाहिए. NPSH tells about this thing only because if our negative pressure falls below the vapor pressure, it will cause cavitation. Guys, it will cause the cavitation. So to avoid the cavitation, NPSH tells about to avoiding the cavitation. It's check the pressure of fluid at the suction head. So guys, if you want to, you can note it down. So guys, NPSH also tells the one thing. Thus, what we have learned, this is safest depth where we can lift the fluid without causing cavitation. So guys, we get one more thing is safest depth at where we can lift the fluid without causing the cavitation. Two terms also arise. You have listened to it. NPSH available and NPSH required. So guys, NPSH available is the absolute pressure at the suction side. Absolute pressure at suction side, and as NPSH require, it is the minimum pressure of a pump to lift a liquid without causing a cavitation. So guys, one more thing is always make sure NPSH available is always greater than NPSH required. So I hope guys you have understand my point. NPSH tells about to avoid the cavitation. It refers to the avoiding the cavitation. It tells about the pressure of the fluid at the suction side. So guys, go through the video. If you have any doubt, comment me down in the comment box, guys. And if you want to learn about the new topics, you can give me the content, guys. So thank you.